You guys, I burned my soup. I burned soup. How do you burn soup? She doesn't know either. No, she doesn't. No, 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 no. She's a good girl. I freaking burned soup. That's okay though, I guess it's no big deal. Today, I'm gonna chop my hair off, so say goodbye to the ponytail. This is the last you'll ever see of it. Maybe, I don't know. If I'm still vlogging in like 3 years and I don't cut my hair between now and then, you might see another ponytail. But I'm cutting it really, really short this time. I'm so excited. You know, Emma Watson, her haircut, it's gonna be just a tiny bit longer than that. And I'm really excited about it. I would be like one of those people that's all like, oh, should I cut my hair? Should I let it grow out? You know, asking the Beans is not, she doesn't understand personal space. Pardon me, Beans. Pardon me, Beans. Is this the chassis or the choo-choo? Okay, but I would be like one of those people that's like, I'm gonna talk to all of my subscribers, all 3 of them. Just kidding, you're more like 27. Whatever. Anyway, I would be like that, but then I actually don't care enough, so if you don't like that I'm gonna chop my hair off, then you can suck it. Just kidding, I actually like that you watch my videos. Sorry if that was rude. So that's really all I have to say today. I just wanted to give you an opportunity to see my hair in a ponytail for the last time. Say goodbye, because it's the last you're gonna be seeing of it. Do I look different in the mirror than I do when I'm just like on the camera? I know, I feel like I do. I don't understand. Anyway, goodbye!